Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at one of Samsung's latest budget-friendly smartphones for 2024, the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. If you're considering an affordable 5G phone with impressive features, the Galaxy A36 5G might just be the perfect fit for you. Starting with the design, Samsung has really stepped up their game. The Galaxy A36 5G offers a sleek, modern look with a slim profile and a vibrant 6.5-inch FHD Plus display that's perfect for watching videos, gaming, and everyday scrolling. This phone definitely doesn't feel like a budget option in your hand. And thanks to its 5G capabilities, you can enjoy fast, reliable internet speeds wherever you go, a feature often missing in phones in this price range. Now, let's talk about the performance. Powered by a MediaTek Dimensity processor, the A36 5G ensures smooth multitasking and decent gaming performance, even on some graphically intense games. It comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage, expandable with a microSD card, so you'll have plenty of room for apps, photos, and files. Moving on to the camera. One of the highlights of the Galaxy A36 5G. Samsung packed in a triple-lens setup with a 50MP main sensor, a 5MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP depth sensor. Photos are sharp and colorful in good lighting, and the night mode also does a decent job for low-light shots. Plus, the 13MP front camera will definitely please selfie lovers with its clear, vibrant results. Finally, battery life. The Galaxy A36 5G is powered by a 5000 mAh battery, meaning you'll easily get a full day of use, even with moderate to heavy usage. And it supports 25W fast charging, so you can quickly top up when you need to. So, is the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G the best budget 5G phone of 2024? It certainly packs a punch for its price range. With a sleek design, solid performance, and 5G connectivity, it's hard to go wrong with this one. Let us know in the comments what you think about the A36 5G, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.